Today I'm going to show you how to change cyan hat to any color in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Open the Mode list and select Lasso. Create a loose selection around the cap to select it. Now press Ctrl J to cut the hat from its background. Let's name it Cap. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. Now open your foreground color from the toolbar. In this color picker, choose any color for hat. And you can also pick a color in the background of your image. Press OK once you're satisfied. Now click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new solid color. Double-click on this and rename it Cap Color. Go to Layer and create Clipping Mask. And change the blending mode of this layer from normal to color. Let's go back to the adjustment layer icon, then create a new levels. Then clip it. Now drag the bottom right slider to the left to determine how bright the brightest pixel will be. Then you can use the middle top slider to the left to brighten the hat. Close Properties panel. And that's it. Thanks for watching.